Welcome to the personal property tour for 92 Taylor Street in Methil. This is a really spacious 2-bedroom upper apartment over 2 levels, and the room sizes are fantastic. All the details about the property are in the link. If you click on that, you'll get the all important information and the price point. And I'm just going to take you on the tour. So this is the property here, so the 3 windows you're seeing here, and then the upper level as well. And I shall see you upstairs in a second. And this is number 92, and let's head on in. It really is a bright apartment, recently renovated as well, which is fabulous. So we're going to start with bedroom number 1, which is upstairs. But before we get there, look at this internal hallway. Really high ceilings, but the space you have. If you're a home worker, you could easily create a little home office in here. You could put a desk in here, no problem. It's a lovely big space, isn't it? Such a flexible area. We're going to head on upstairs. Got a nice big window to the side, lots of light coming in, as you can see. And the upper landing, again, good space. You've got room for hanging, access to your attic, area here as well for storage. You can maybe put a nice unit in there. And this is bedroom number 1. As you can see, it's a really lovely sized room. You've got the double windows there. You've got access into your eave space there too, but it's a really great size. I love the fact that the flooring's split. If you had a dressing table here, the kids' play area, it's going to stop some of the mess. But really great size, isn't it? The carpets look lovely and fresh too, don't they? If I come over here, you can see how much room you're getting. It's a really great king-sized room, isn't it? And from there, the length of it, great space. We'll head back out in the hallway and we're going to head downstairs. And as you can see, all that light coming in makes it feel lovely and bright, doesn't it? Because that's a large window. And just this extra bonus space down here as well, I think is fab. You've got electrical sockets there as well, so if you do want a desk here, great spot to do it. Come back into the L-shaped hallway, then we're going straight in to bedroom number 2. High ceilings, big windows again, isn't it? But really great space. And the beauty of this apartment as well is it overlooks the Greenbelt space. So unlike some of the area, you've not got apartments right in front of you. So it feels so much more open, doesn't it? But lovely big room. You've got the cornicing. But great space. From here we come back out into the hallway and look at the storage you have. So you've got a cupboard at the top, then you've got this full length cupboard here as well. Then we head into the bathroom. I love the split way that this bathroom is. So when you first come in, you've got a vanity unit here and your wash hand basin. You've got your mirror up there, great for doing your hair, makeup, having a shave. It's fab, isn't it? And then you come down here, you've got your WC, you've got your bath with your thermostatic control shower, nice tiling, again, lovely big window, nice and bright. But it's quite an unusual one, this, to have that separate. I like that. And that's the bathroom space. Come back out into the hallway. We're then going to head into the lounge. Really great size. I love the walkway, the way that it's split again from the carpet going into the kitchen. But nice size, high ceilings again. You've got a nice picture rail there, you've got your feature fireplace, you've got your shelving, you've got your storage. But lovely sized room. If I come up here, you've got a feel again just for the length of it. Really great open space, isn't it? And then from here we go to the kitchen. Nice bright kitchen, as you can see, recently renovated. You've got your integrated appliances with your oven, hob and extractor. Plenty of space for your freestanding, so your washing machine, fridge, freezer. Lovely big window, lots of light coming in. You can see across the gardens out there as well. Just feels lovely and bright, doesn't it? Lots of worktop space and cabinetry. But for a galley style kitchen, it's nice and roomy, isn't it? Great space. So just to recap for you then, this is the personal property tour for 92 Taylor Street in Methil. As you've seen, it's a really spacious 2-bedroom upper apartment over 2 levels, great living spaces. That upper bedroom, what a size that is. And the benefit as well from that mid landing, You've got that lovely entrance there where you could create that office space, play area for the children. It just gives you that extra space and room, doesn't it? Recently renovated, so it's move-in condition. It's also in a great location. So location-wise, you're literally about 12-minute walk. You're down to Leven, where the train station is, and that's giving you all your direct links to Edinburgh City Centre and beyond. You then have the beach down there as well, so beautiful walks along that sandy beach. You've got the promenade, the high street, the retail parks. The high street offers great restaurants as well. You've got a steak bar, you've got a tapas bar, so much on offer in your high street. But the fact that when you get to that beach, you're on the Fife Coastal Path, that's beautiful walks, cycling, running paths all the way along there as well. And if you are into your outdoors, if golf's your thing, there are golf courses in abundance. It really is a fabulous location. Everything on your doorstep. You've got local amenities around you as well. Aberhill Primary School is within walking distance, so if you're a young family, this is a great location for you as well. It is a personal property tour. All the details are in the link above. If you click on that, you'll get the information about the property and the all-important price point. But if it is of interest to you, you can also message me directly. And likewise, you can have a chat with the team on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye-bye.